Okay, so this is Tony, and I'm putting a smart cable in a 2019 Scat Pack Challenger. So basically this right here, once you take this cover off, which holds the shifter boot, you can unbolt the shifter, and there's one plug in the back, and you can take this out of the way. Once you take this out of the way, there's access to the console, which I've already taken out. But essentially there's 2 screws in the back and there's 2 screws up in the front. And there's 2 more plugs. Once you disconnect the plugs, you can physically take the console completely out of the car. Once that's done, let me get my light. I want to show you that this is the 2 screws for the module. And if you reach underneath and you look with a mirror, you can actually see the original plug, which I'm going to unplug, and you're going to put the smart plug in its place. Simple as that.
Thanks, Top Cat.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.